Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Piyush and welcome to my dead channel. I know it's been a while I have uploaded videos, but I don't want to make fake excuses where I was or what I was doing. But here I am back again with an interesting series. I hope I will complete it this time. In this series, we are going to build this DJ download application. Now here you can see a simple home page of this application. Basically, using this website, the user can download YouTube videos. So also, this is the search option so that user can search their videos. And if the user clicks here, I have these three drop-down menus. So if the user clicks on this change theme, then the dark theme will get appeared. And if the user will click here one more time, once again the light theme had appeared here. And in future, we will add the authentication part so that user can view their videos and he or she can log out. So let's come to the main feature of this project. So if I copy the URL of this video and paste it here, and now if I click on this search button, it will take some time and this type of page will get appeared where we will fetch the thumbnail of the video and show up here. Also we will show the title of the video and the user can choose to download the video in 144p or 360p or 720p. And we will also fetch this option dynamically. So if I change the theme here, you can see how beautiful it looks in the dark theme. And we'll also store this theme in the local storage so that if the user visits this web page one more time, then we are going to fetch the theme from the local storage. Now if the user clicks on this download button, the video will get downloaded in their device. So this is the application which we are going to build. Now to build this application, you should have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Also, you should have a basic knowledge of Django. So if you want, then you can watch the complete Django course which I have uploaded in this channel. I'll also put that link in the I button and description below. So now let's do the initial setup of this project. So here I am in this create projects folder. I'll click here and I'll type here CMD. So in that way, it will open the command prompt in this folder. Now here what I will do is, I'll create one more folder. So I'll type here mkdir and I will name this DJ YouTube. Basically this DJ stands for Django and we are creating the application in a way that it can only download YouTube videos. So that's why I have named it DJ YouTube. Let's press the enter key and it will create this folder. I will go inside this folder. And now first of all, I will create a virtual environment. So basically virtual environment allows us to isolate this project from other projects in this system. So I'll type here python-m and I have to type here venv space and then here we have to type the name of our environment. So I'll type here venv. Now I'll press the enter key and this is how you could create virtual environments in Windows. If you are on Mac, then I think the process will be different. So you can search on Google. Now my environment is created. If I open this folder, you can see this venv. Now in this virtual environment, we have to install Django. So first of all, if I type here pip install Django, it will install Django in my main operating system. But I don't want this. I want to install Django for this virtual environment only. So first of all, I have to activate this virtual environment. So in Windows, you can type / the name of your environment, which in our case is venv / scripts / activate and press the enter key. You can see this venv. This indicates that we are inside this virtual environment. Now here we have to install Django. So type here pip install Django. And in this case, it will install Django only for this environment. Now the Django has successfully installed in this environment. Now what I will do is, I'll create a brand new project. So I'll type here Django-admin start project and then the name of our project. So in this case, the name of our project will be DJ YouTube. And I'll also type here _project so that we'll know that it is our project directory. Also, don't forget to add this dot here. This is because if you don't add this dot, then it will create a separate folder for our project. But I don't want this. I want the project in this folder DJ YouTube. So I'll type here dot and press the enter key. Now after creating this, I'll type here python manage.py migrate to migrate all of our migrations. And now I'll type here python manage.py run server. Notice that each and every command which I have ran previously was inside this virtual environment. So now let's press the enter button. And you can see this default Django congratulations message. Awesome. So that's it for this video. In our next video, we are going to create an app, and we also create our initial templates. So if you like this video, then do click the like button. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.